You need to hear this if you're a tech fan who thinks you've seen it all. Tesla's shaking things up in a way few predicted. This time, it's not about faster cars, but smarter power. Let's get real. When you think about electric cars, you probably picture batteries, motors, maybe even fancy touchscreens. But under the hood of every car for the last century has been a humble 12-volt electrical system running everything from the headlights to window switches. Now Tesla is ditching that century-old setup and moving to a 48-volt system in its latest vehicles. Why does this matter? First off, higher voltage means lower current for the same amount of power. That translates to thinner wires, less weight, and more efficiency. In practical terms, Tesla can shave off up to a mile of wiring, saving weight, cutting costs, and boosting range. Plus, with cars packing more tech, think autopilot computers, heated everything, and mind-blowing sound systems, the old 12-volt system just can't keep up. A 48-volt architecture opens the door for future upgrades, smarter features, and fewer electrical headaches down the road. It's not just an evolution, it's a total rethink. If this catches on, we could see the entire auto industry following Tesla's lead, ushering in lighter, smarter, and more efficient vehicles for everyone. So next time someone says, "It's just a car," remember, sometimes real revolutions happen where you least expect them. Voltage just became the next big thing, and EVs and Tesla's leading the charge. For more than 60 years, cars have depended on a standard 12-volt electrical system. This reliable system has powered everything from compact hatchbacks to high-end supercars, driving essential functions like your headlights, infotainment systems, power windows, windshield wipers, and even airbags. Yet, it's crucial to understand that these 12-volt systems were engineered for a bygone era, an age defined by carburetors, a lack of advanced infotainment, and minimal demands from electronics. Today's vehicles are pushing the boundaries of automotive technology far beyond what the original 12-volt system can support. In electric vehicles like Tesla's, the landscape is dramatically different. These innovative cars are packed with cutting-edge digital systems, multiple advanced computers, a myriad of sensors, high-definition cameras for autopilot, and now even electronic steering and braking. This mounting electrical demand brings significant challenges. It necessitates the use of thicker wires and heavier components, ultimately leading to greater energy loss in the form of heat. This is not just a technical hurdle. It poses a critical barrier to achieving optimal efficiency in the future of electric transportation. Chapter 3. The 48-volt solution. Tesla's groundbreaking approach, transitioning to a powerful 48-volt system. Here's why this matters immensely. Electric power, measured in watts, is the product of voltage and current. By increasing the voltage, we can significantly reduce the current, leading to thinner wires, reduced weight, and minimized power loss. Making the leap from 12 volts to 48 volts can potentially halve the weight of the wiring in some applications. This is a game changer for electric vehicles where every kilogram translates into improved efficiency and performance. Chapter 4. What Tesla is doing. The Tesla Cybertruck is revolutionizing the automotive industry as the first vehicle to employ a comprehensive 48-volt low-voltage system. Tesla has boldly committed to implementing this cutting-edge architecture in all future vehicles. This innovative approach means that every accessory of the Cybertruck, ranging from lights to motors and actuators, functions on a robust 48-volt system. The outcome? An extraordinarily efficient, lighter, and highly scalable electrical system that sets a new standard for performance. This pivotal move has the potential to reshape the entire auto industry's approach to vehicle architecture. While automakers like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi have dipped their toes into 48-volt mild hybrid systems, none have embraced a full 48-volt solution with the boldness that Tesla has. Once Tesla proves the viability and scalability of this technology, we can confidently anticipate a wave of competitors eager to follow in their footsteps. Let's highlight the groundbreaking advantages of Tesla's 48-volt system. Significantly reduced power loss. Sleeker and lighter wiring for improved efficiency. Substantially lower vehicle weight. Superior support for cutting-edge technology features. Future-ready scalability for autonomous systems. In essence, this innovative system positions Teslas at the forefront of the next generation of smart, software-driven vehicles. Alright, let's talk about Tesla, because what they're doing isn't just upgrading cars, it's redefining what a car can be. I mean, think about it. 10 years ago, the idea of a mass-market electric car that could outpace a supercar was basically science fiction. Now, That's just a Tuesday for Tesla. But it's not just about speed. Tesla is completely reimagining automotive design from the ground up. The Model S Plaid, for example, doesn't even have a traditional gear selector. Instead, it guesses what you want to do, forward or reverse, using cameras and AI. Wild, right? And then there's autopilot. Love it or hate it, Tesla made self-driving features mainstream. Other manufacturers are still playing catch-up while Tesla keeps rolling out over-the-air updates. Your car literally wakes up with new abilities overnight. Let's not forget the interiors. No more buttons everywhere. Just a massive touchscreen and minimalist design that feels like the future. Oh, and if you want to play video games or stream Netflix while you're parked, Tesla's got you covered. But the real game changer is their vision for energy. Superchargers, home batteries, solar integration. They aren't just making cars, they're building an ecosystem. You don't just drive a Tesla, you become part of a movement that's pushing the entire industry forward. So, whether you're a die-hard gearhead or just curious about what's next, Tesla is leading the charge into the future. Literally. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Curious for more deep dives into cutting-edge automotive technology. Catch you in the next one.